Alright, so guys, welcome to a new video today. As you can see, there's a new microphone right over here. Enjoy the top-notch quality. So, in this video, right, we're going to be talking about playing games to earn money online. So apparently, as you can see from this website alone, right, it is called FreeCash.com. So for this website, apparently a lot of people are talking about it and they're saying good things about it. They're saying that this website actually allows them to earn money. As you can see over here, Netflix claims that you can earn $5. And as for Dice Dreams, you can earn $14.93. TikTok, just by signing up, you will get $2. And it has high reviews, as shown over here from Trustpilot. And it has like 66,000 reviews. So that has to be a good thing, right? And yeah, if you sign up for free, you get to win up to $250 in the free case. So it sounds pretty promising. And as you can see, there's like $52 million that has been earned in total over here. And on average, money earned by users yesterday, it is $19.30. That sounds pretty promising. Not too bad. And of course, there are definitely good recommendations that came from surveys.com, Benzinga, Survey Police, and InBrain.ai. So all of this sounds nice and fancy. Sounds really good. We're seeing numbers, right? Good numbers. Oh, there are surveys as well, not just games. And there are offers as well. So it's not too bad of a site. So it's not just games. There's like different kind of outlets that you can choose in order to earn money from freecash.com. Highest payouts, I guess. Let's see. Let's take a look if it actually says what it is. Yeah, so I guess there's only one way to find out, which is to go ahead and try it out. Oh my god, 1 million. This month alone, there's a 1 million, 1.5. That's a lot of money. Alright, it's time to join the community. It is time to join the community. Okay, so once you're landed on this page, right, you just gotta go ahead and sign up. Yeah, sign up over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and log in and sign in first. Alright, so this is my dashboard. So as you can see, I've earned a whopping 78 cents. I've earned a whopping 78 cents. That's it. I guess it works. For the most part, it works. But I've yet to withdraw, to be honest. I haven't exactly withdrawn the amount yet because there are some withdrawal amount that you have to hit in order to start withdrawing money. And there are a lot of different withdrawal methods I will go through later. But as you can see over here, there's a lot of different games where you can actually go through and play where it earns you money as well. So the games are over here. And then the amount that you can earn is below here. So it's $187 for gambling, basically. Vegas Casino. And the rest, there are like surveys as well. And there is like a plethora of different games. Sudoku, Cash Empire, Gemdoku, Trump's Empire, Harvest Land, Warships. So there are a lot of different kind of games that you can immerse yourself with. Yeah, and all of these different offer partners. Yeah, these are, I guess, mainly surveys. I'm not too sure. I haven't really get into it yet. But over here at the offers section, as you can see, there's a lot of different kind of methods to earn money online. But for the sake of this video, we're just gonna go ahead with the game section. This is where we're gonna be at. So go ahead, click on the games, and you can see there's a lot. There's too many. I don't even know how many are there exactly. I believe there are like there are like different pages of them. Yeah, it's never ending. It's a good thing, I guess. Okay, it ends. Yeah, so it's all over here. And if you scroll all the way up, you can see, you can actually filter them. So for here, if you're an Android user, you're an iOS user, you're a desktop user, you can just filter them. You can show all of them, right? If you have like all three platforms, obviously you can choose all of them and earn more money basically. And yeah, that's how it is. And the most interesting part is that you can sort by the highest reward, the lowest reward, and the most popular. So this is really, really useful. So obviously you want to earn more money, right? So let's go ahead and click on the highest reward. Let's see. Whoa. Yep. Look at this. The Grand Mafia. This is one of the games that I actually played. Obviously, right, I want to earn the most money, so obviously you just gotta go ahead and play the highest paying game. So this is the one that I actually went ahead to play. I will throw like a screen record of me playing the game. It's actually quite interesting. Yeah. And then other than that, yeah, check this out. Vegas Casino, like we said, yeah, $187. Water Sword, almost $200. But I'm not too sure whether. Okay, actually, I'm sure. Sorry, you can actually all this amount, right? I don't think you're able to earn like just by downloading the game. You actually have to like go according to levels on levels. So, for example, right, if you were to click on the Grand Mafia, yeah, then there's a description. So, play the Grand Mafia and complete all challenges in 14 days. New users only. Okay. Yeah, as you can see, I've only partially completed them, and yeah, for the reward section, like I said, there are like actually levels, so you can't exactly just play once and earn $406. I believe it's like a total accumulation of it all. So over here, just take it as like level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, level 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, blah blah blah. So I've only completed level 1, and I've earned a whopping amount of 69 cents. Okay, which is actually super easy, as shown over here. So for this game, right, I'm not too sure about the rest, but at least for level 1 to level 4, which I've attained, it's relatively easy. So what I did was, it's just, at least for this game, so it's like a tutorial, and it's like an introduction, and I just have to constantly click on whoever they ask me to click. Yeah, and it shows who I'm supposed to click. So basically you're just following through. They are hand guiding you throughout the entire game, and then you just have to follow through whatever they say, and then just click, click, click. The only thing you are paying with is your time. That's it. So for me, how long did it take for me to earn 69 cents? It took me around like 20 minutes or 30 minutes or so. Yeah, because I wasn't actually skipping the parts. I was actually reading through and watching every single part of it, because it was actually quite interesting for me. Yeah, so it took around like 20 or 30 minutes or so in order to reach level 4. Yeah, which is to reach level 4, and earned 69 cents. So it's not too bad. That's why you can see over here, I've earned like 78 cents over here. Yeah, for the most part, it came from this game. And then actually, I did something else. I did the survey as well, which is over here. Yes, as you guys can see over here, I completed a survey, but I'm not too sure what happened. But over here, it says total of 5 free cash, right? And I actually earned 5. I completed this challenge, I guess, this survey. Yeah. So over here, hold on, let me show you guys the survey section. I actually went ahead to, I believe it's Gate Media. It was one of the survey websites. Yeah, it was just one of the survey websites. I attempted this game as well, but it wasn't to my liking, so I stopped playing. That's the beauty of this application, right? Is that if you don't like one particular game, you don't have to stick through it and force yourself to make the money from there. There's so many different outlets. Like, see, there's a 1.4 different places that you can actually earn money from. So if you don't like something, it's okay, just switch to another platform. Yeah, but I can't exactly find the survey. Where is the survey portion? Can I just search? I'm gonna do that. Survey. Yeah, I guess this is where most of the surveys are. Okay, to be honest, I can't really remember which exact survey I did, but just for the sake of this, I'm just gonna click on daily survey. Yeah, so basically what you have to do is just do the survey, and then you earn the money upon completion. So for the other survey, I did approximately like probably 20 questions or so. It's just basic information about your life. Yeah, just about your personal life, and then just give your opinions and your beliefs and whatnot, I guess. Yeah, at least for that particular survey that I did. Yeah, so it was mainly about some financial stuff. Yeah, so I completed that survey, and I earned like I think I earned like 5 cents from that survey, just 5 cents. Yeah, so that was interesting. And then the other thing is that the other games that I played was I played the I played this game as well, Climb the Mountain. Yeah, this game. I played this game. I don't think I earned money from it because it was too long. It was too long. I have to wait too long. Like for example, for this game, right? I will show a screen recording of me playing this game. Basically, you just have to climb and climb and climb, and then you have to wait. You have to wait until the energy bar regenerates, and then you're able to climb again. So it takes very very long just to hit the next level. Yeah, so it's just a patience game, man. There's no skills related. All you have to do is just wait. So all of this game, okay, I won't say all of this game, but at least the games that I played, right? It's just a waiting game. You just have to wait and then do something and then wait again. And then wait till you hit the certain goal in the game and then you'll be paid. But, I don't know, is it boring or not? I'm not too sure. It's up to you guys whether you think it is boring or not. But if you're just looking for games to kill your time or to have like I said, a productive break, then yeah, sure, go ahead and play the games. I mean, the games I play is relatively entertaining. It's fine. I like it. I enjoyed it. But if you are trying to look for, if you're expecting these games to replace your full-time income, probably not. Probably not. Unless you're like really spending like 24 hours on this platform playing all of the games, then maybe you can. I don't know. If you guys actually do that, let me know below in the comment section if that is actually doable. Then the other game out of all the games that I played, this is one of the more enjoyable ones. Smash Party Hero Action or iPhone, not the Android one, not the Android. So for this, I played all the way to I believe World 2. Yeah, but over here, in order to earn money, you have to play all the way to World 10. And in one world, if I'm not wrong, there's like 10 stages. So in one world, you have to play up to 10 stages and then you move on to the next world. It takes forever. But thankfully, this game is relatively enjoyable. I will show another screen record of me playing. Yeah, but as you can see, World 1 to World 10, you only get 3 cents. You're gonna get paid 3 cents. Yeah, but if you really enjoy the game, then yes, it's gonna be a good bet. Just go ahead and play it. You'll get paid at the same time, so it's a win-win situation. But like I said, don't expect too much, unless you really complete the entire game. Then yeah, you're gonna be able to, I guess, pay for a meal, pay for dinner or lunch or breakfast. That'll be cool. Yeah, but for the most part, it's not the best option. That's what I would say. Yeah, because there are definitely better options out there to earn more money. Yeah, so I believe I only played like 3 games in total that I actually enjoyed. Yeah, they actually retain my attention. Yeah, but this app, I mean, yeah, obviously it earns money, right? 78 cents. I believe that you need to have at least $5 or so. So as we can see over here, the cash out portion, there's a lot of different methods and avenues to withdraw your money. You can withdraw cash, you can withdraw gift cards, skins as well for the games. So one of the more popular methods will be PayPal. So if you click on PayPal, yeah, click on it. Hello. Maybe I can't do it. What's happening? Let me refresh. Okay, so as you can see over here, there's a flat fee of 5%. So you gotta keep that in mind. And the minimum withdrawal is $5. Right, $5 for PayPal. $5, $10, $20, $30, $50, $75, $100, and $200. So yeah, as you can see over here, if you do withdraw $100, there will be a fee of $5. $200 withdrawal, $10 fee. $5 withdrawal, 25 cents. So that's how it is. And I guess I will show some proof from other people as to how much they withdraw from PayPal as well on the screen right now. So other than PayPal, you can withdraw Bitcoin as well. Yeah, all this good stuff. Yeah, there's a fee as well, so keep that in mind as well. And then Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, RTM, Amazon gift cards, Visa, Google Play, Apple, Netflix, all those good stuff. Yeah, $15 worth. So that's interesting. Yeah, so there's a lot of different kind of option. If you don't want just cash, you can withdraw with all of these different options as well. Yeah, so that makes it quite unique. And obviously at the leaderboards, you can see there's a lot of different people who are earning top cash. So for this guy, Dan, 400,000 points. $50? What is this? Daily, oh, wow. Yeah, so this person apparently earned up to $50. Not too bad. And then Acro Bro, T Paulin, 75. Yeah, they earn pretty some good cash over here daily. And over here, as you can see as well, for different people, yeah, they earn quite a lot of money as well. Yeah, but I believe all this amount, you really have to spend like more hours, not just 1 or 2 hours a day. Probably, like I say, if you were to spend like, I don't know, man, 20 hours of or 10 hours plus, then probably you'll be able to earn such amount. Maybe. Yeah, I'm not too sure. I'm gonna give it a go. Who knows? So, for $5,000 monthly, yeah, apparently it's doable. James, Awesome Milan, T Paulin again, right? They earn up to 3 digits a month, so it's not too bad. It's quite cool to see that there are actually people earning such amount. Maybe they're doing this as a full-time income. I don't know, maybe, but I guess it's doable. So other than the leaderboards, so these are like proof that it is actually legit. I guess you can put it that way. Reward section, yeah, affiliates. I guess if you play on a 7-day streak, you will receive rewards. I can claim. Can I claim? Can I get some money? Reach level 1 to unlock the daily bonus ladder. Man. And of course, there are the affiliates link as well. So if you were to have if you have friends or family and whatnot, they want to play this, they want to play the games over here, they want to participate, all the things over here, you can refer to them. And of course, if you want to sign up with this, you want to help me out, you can use my referral link as well. Yeah, it'll be at the description box down below. Yeah, so far so good. It's quite cool. Yeah, because I've only been on this platform for like a day or two. Yeah, and I'm able to earn 78 cents. So that's nice to know that it's actually doable. Do I see myself playing these games for the long run? I mean, every now and then, if you're looking for entertainment, if you want to like have a break and then play some games or some shows, you might as well just play some games over here and then earn money at the same time. So most likely, I mean, the app will just be on your phone, right? So if you have time, then we'll just open the app and just play some games or do some service over here, and then yeah, you'll be able to earn money as well. But like I said, you have to be consistent. So choose the games that will really retain your attention, yeah, so that you will not be switching other games. Yeah, so that's quite important. So consistency is key for this. Yeah, so for the most part, that's it. Yeah, for this app is doable. It's actually doable. So that's nice to know. And this app has like I said, 60,000 plus reviews from Trustpilot. So I think you can trust them. Yes. So yeah, there you go. This is how it is. Yeah, 66631 reviews from Trustpilot. That's it. And if I were to earn more money from this application, I'll let you guys know as well. If I'm able to earn more than $1, that's my goal right now. Just to hit more than $1. That's it. Okay. So that's more or less about FreeCash.com. Playing games to earn money. So are you really able to earn $50 per day? Per day? I guess technically you can, but you're gonna spend a lot of time. Yeah, you're gonna spend a lot of time. Yeah, maybe if you guys want me to do as a form of challenge, you can let me know below if I'm able to earn $50 in a day with this application. Yeah, just 24 hours. A 24 hours challenge. My god. Okay. But yeah, for the most part, that's it. That's how freecash.com works. Peace.